Back in my old system again, this gasket here is now leaking from the flush. I had a look on YouTube, there's a few handy tips. I want to see if I can do on camera how to replace this old gasket and put a new gasket on. I'm talking about the butter knife trick, so this is the horrible black stuff and the rubber is deteriorated. So we're gonna try on camera, see if we can replace this device. Got a new gasket, silicone gasket from Bunnings, and I will see if I can take this black gasket off here without creating a massive chaos. Not gonna be easy. Got a lot of black gunk. Here we go. The hard part is getting this gasket out. There we go. The old gasket here. The fun part is getting a new one in. I'll clean this up first. Well, I've got the old washer off here. Yeah, we're going to put the new washer on now. Well, let's see if we get the silicone washer in. I've got one on to see if we can get it here. That goes in. Push it in with a knife. Maybe some soap. Oh, hang on. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, it's all back together. It's a new seal. Works really well. And I replaced the inlet valve because it finally expired, so it's a new device. It's one of these. This reservoir and here goes stop. That's short. We're literally on the Bunnings and a new inlet pipe at the same time.